If you need to carry out works that require access onto a neighbour's land, property, or even airspace, you may need an access license. In simple terms, an access license is a contract between neighbouring owners that allows temporary access for construction works where there is otherwise no automatic right to enter. We would explain that, outside limited maintenance or repair situations, access generally has to be agreed by license, and the neighbouring owner does not have to consent. The purpose of the license is to protect both sides. It will usually set out the duration of the access, the way in which access is to take place, and the conditions that must be followed throughout the works. Common protections can include rent for the access, a fixed license period, a security fund in case of damage or overstay, alarm and security arrangements, procedures for dealing with damage, and confirmation that the benefiting owner covers the relevant surveying and legal costs. Our role as access license surveyors is to look at the proposed works from the perspective of the neighbouring property. That means reviewing the plans, considering the risks, and helping ensure that nuisance, disruption, and the potential for damage are reduced as far as possible. We would also make clear that a neighbour can refuse access. If that happens and no agreement can be reached, the works may need to be redesigned so that access is no longer required. Equally, if access is granted, the neighbouring owner is generally entitled to charge rent, and that can be structured on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis depending on the circumstances. In short, an access license is about balancing one owner's need to carry out works with the other owner's right to protect their land, building, and security. If your project involves oversailing, scaffolding, temporary access, or working from neighbouring land, get in touch with us today, and we will be happy to advise on the next steps.